Hello guys, welcome to another video. It's been a long time coming. Quite frankly, I've been busy with other projects, but just showing the latest addition to the DIY fan setup. As you guys know, I like to tinker and find ways in which to improve the working fan without spending too much money, because I'm a tight Yorkshireman basically. So let's have a look at the latest additions. Okay, so the top bar needed some support to it, so 2 beams of wood, but I also needed a hose reel guide. So 2 birds, 1 stone, as it was. Okay, but the latest addition that I'm doing this video for is thanks to Neil Stokes on Window Cleaning UK on Facebook, who did the setup himself, and I've just simply copied it. With a remote control and an area boost for the DIY hose reel. Okay, so let's see how it works. I'm just going to drag it out. Let's get some distance. Also, let's just get behind the wall. I just wanted to see how this works. Okay, so it comes with a control box or remote control sensor. So let's see if it works. Okay, it does from here. What about behind the wall? So a description of the parts used for this, done and dusted for under £15. I'll put all the links that you need in the description box. Hope you guys enjoy tinkering. Thank you for watching. Bye.